Hey guys, how are you? I am in my office today and I am super psyched because I have a new piece of gear. And anybody who's in marketing and gets some kind of new software or kind of camera equipment, you know that that's gonna make my day. So as you know, I love my GoPro, but I am becoming aware that when I do these types of videos of if it's just me like giving an interview or speaking in my office or something like that, the camera quality on my computer's webcam is not great. So I really want to try to use my GoPro more often than just when I'm out in the field. And that is where this little piece of gear comes in. I went ahead and got the display mod so that you can turn your GoPro into a kind of vlogging camera where you can see yourself on the thing. And I don't typically like to see myself. I'm filming this right now on my phone so that I can show you what I'm doing, but it is taking all of my energy in me right now to not look at myself in the screen and look into the camera. So that is gonna make it harder to film on this, but also I've just been spending way too much time trying to figure out the right shot for when I'm vlogging, and not being able to see what I'm doing is really getting hard. Anyway, so that being said, let me open this up. So I bought this off of Amazon. It was very inexpensive, but I'm gonna try to open this up. Okay, so I really hope it works out because this is what happened to the box. Okay, let's see, here it comes. It comes in this little case and this cord. That's what it is. It's a USB and what is this? USB, let me see what the box is. USB-C port. User guide. Cable, it'll take about 1 to 1.5 hours to fully charge the battery. Okay, let me see you in an hour. I'll check back. Okay, so it is done charging. It's pretty cool. So this is all that it is. It should just go. So you have to get the media mod for the GoPro for this to work. Just kind of slides on. Okay, and so now it's become kind of a vlogging type camera, and it looks kind of cool because you can also just flip it down like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's plug this in. This is always so satisfying when you take these off. I don't know why. Okay, so this plugs into the media mod in this little guy right here. So here's one for a microphone. Okay, let's see. So if I turn this on, let's see what happens. Okay, and then I have to turn this thing. See, the only thing I'm worried about is that this also needs to be charged, so it's just one more thing that needs to be charged, but I'd love to see how long that lasts. Okay. Okay, cool. So I can see myself. Can you see yourself? So can you see me through my phone? And this is also my outside window when I'm looking out, so you can see how that works. So that's pretty awesome. I think that this is gonna save a lot of time. I will have to really concentrate on looking into the lens and not at myself. And also on the display, it does show how much it's charged, so I'm not going to just have it shut off on me, so that's good. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do now to show you, I'm gonna keep filming here, but I'm also gonna film on the GoPro so that you can see the difference in quality, and I'll open up my webcam so that you can see the 3 differences between the quality of my iPhone versus the GoPro versus my webcam that I've been doing most of my videos on. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the difference between all 3 cameras. This is my cell phone, my iPhone 12 mini. This is the GoPro camera, and this is the webcam that I have been using for most of my videos throughout my whole YouTube career, let's say. So I mostly use the webcam to make my videos for my job because I'm doing a lot of Skype interviews and kind of easy stuff like that. So this is the camera quality that we have. And I just think that the GoPro is a much better camera quality. Oh man, I'm looking at my display again. I need to look right here. The GoPro is a much better camera quality than this, my MacBook Pro webcam. I like the webcam a little bit because it kind of, due to the fact that it's not the best quality, it has a bit of a softer look. I feel like I might look a little bit better on it, but the GoPro is just obviously such a better quality, and I feel like to up our game a little bit, using a better quality camera would be preferable. But also sometimes I think using the camera on your phone is the best option because most of us already have a pretty decent camera on our phone. What I have right here is I just have like this little lav mic hooked to me and hooked into my phone, and it's the easiest thing ever. I'm very excited about having a display mod on my GoPro now to make vlogging a bit easier, and possibly using it as a webcam easier so that I can see what my camera is seeing. That is the display mod attachment for the GoPro. Again, you do need the media mod attachment. So we're talking in toto, we're talking about, like, the media mod is, I believe, around 60, 70 bucks. The display mod that attaches to the media mod was like 75 bucks. That still makes the whole thing a lot cheaper than getting a Canon M50 or whatever is the popular YouTuber thing to get. I mean, so I have a total of about 450 bucks invested in this whole thing right now. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you soon.